Ain't gonna stop me now.
You have Fitbits now?
Fidget spinners.
Fidget spinners? Fitbits, fidget spinners.
Close enough.
Close enough. Yeah.
Fun.
Activity monitors.
You want to try it? It's a ball. No, that's what I do.
I can't do it that way. I just have to hold it and then spin it with my other hand.
Yeah, I can't do
Spin
it.
it for him.
Ready?
There it is.
See?
This is what the kids are doing.
Yep.
Oh yeah, they're doing
Kids
all
are
that.
into these days.
I like it. I like doing that. That's cool.
I like that you called it a Fitbit. That was the oldest thing I've ever heard.
Oh, yeah,
Right.
Fitbits now.
What is
Really,
that?
I'm
What is
really
that? What are those
I'm into
Fitbits?
Fitbits, kids.